Hello dear friends. In this video we are going to discuss about meaning of educational research. Educational research is the scientific field of study that examines education and learning processes and the human attributes, interaction, organization and institution that shape educational outcomes. Actually, dear friends, educational research is the scientific field of study. It is the scientific field of study where we examine education's learning process, human attributes, interactions, organizations, and institutions which shape our educational outcomes. Next, educational research refers to systematic attempt to gain better understanding of educational process, generally with a view in improving its efficiency. Dear friends, it is a systematic attempt. It is not a haphazard attempt. It is a systematic attempt because in educational research we follow certain steps. So it is a systematic attempt to gain better understanding of the educational process, generally with a view to improving its efficiency. It means the main objective of educational research is better understandings of our educational process, and another one is improving the efficiency of our educational process. It is an application of scientific method to the study of educational problems. Really, educational research is an application of scientific methods to the study of our educational problems. It is structured and systematic process of carrying a scientific method of analysis that is directed towards discovery and development of an organized body of knowledge. Dear friend, educational research follow a structured and systematic process, and also it follow a scientific methods for analysis and develop or discover different kind of new theory, principles, and also different kind of methods. In simple words, if we say educational research is a research which follow a systematic and structured process and apply a scientific methods for analysis and developed a new theory, principle, and also sort out different educational problems. It is objective and impartial and involves logical analysis of data obtained from observation in a controlled environment. Educational research is objective and impartial and involve logical analysis of data obtained from observation in a controlled environment. Yes, dear friends, in educational research, in a controlled situations or environment, we observe or collect our data and we analyze that collected data in a logical way, and we involve at last to draw conclusion. It leads to develop of a theory and predictions about event yet to be observed. Yes, in educational research or educational research leads to development of theory and predictions about event. Definition of educational research. First, according to Good, educational research is the study and investigation in the field of education. Dear friend, this is a very simple definition of educational research. Educational research is the study and investigation in the field of education. It means dear friend, whatever studies and whatever investigation are going on and conducted in the field of education, all are called educational research. According to Munray, the final purpose of educational research is to ascertain principle and develop procedure for use in the field of education. Actually, dear friend, in the field of education, we used a lot of procedure and also principles. And to develop different procedure, ascertain different principles is the main objective of educational research. According to Mulay, any systematic study designed to promote the development of education as a science can be considered educational research. It means, dear friend, educational research is a systematic study to promote the development of education as a science, to promote the development of education as a science. This is the meaning of Mola definitions. Next, Whitney, educational research aims at finding out solution of educational problem, finding out solution of educational problems by using scientific philosophical method. It means, dear friends, educational research is a branch of research which follow a systematic process, a scientific process, or a scientific philosophical process or method, and make the solution of educational problems is called. According to John W. Best, educational research is that activity which is directed towards development of a science of behavior in educational situation. The ultimate aim of such a science is to provide knowledge that will permit the educator to achieve his goals by the most effective methods. Dear friends, this definition of educational research given by John W. Best is a very popular and meaningful definition in the field of educational research. Educational research is that activity which is directed towards development of a science of behavior in educational situation, and the ultimate aim of such a science is to provide knowledge. The ultimate aim of such a science is to provide knowledge that will permit the educator to achieve his goal by most effective method. Dear friends, at last we conclude from the above definition that educational research is to solve educational problem in a systematic and scientific manner. It is to understand, explain, predict, and control human behavior. Dear friends, educational research deals with educational problems. It follow systematic procedure, scientific procedure, and through this we understand human behavior, explain human behavior, predict human behavior, as well as also we can control human. All these information are collected from different reputed books and from different websites. Thank you, dear friends, for watching this video.